प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर विवेक गुप्ता, दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल से 27 जुलाई, दिन है मंगलवार। ये पेशेंट बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग है और बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए। मैं अपने टीम डॉक्टर सुशांत, हु इज जूनियर कंसल्टेंट एंड पोस्ट डीएम, डॉक्टर चंदन, मिस्टर चंदन गुप्ता जो टेक्नीशियन है हमारे, उनके साथ ही बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये पेशेंट हमारे साथ अस्पताल में 45 दिन पहले भर्ती हो चुके हैं। एक्चुअली शी वॉज वन ऑफ द सफरर फ्रॉम कोविड and she had a very bad CT score, 23/25, which is otherwise very serious. Luckily, we got the bed and we got her treated. She was accelerated, enhanced to ICU also. She required not ventilation, but at least non-invasive ventilation support. Very lucky. We continued to have support. Finally, she was discharged with the minimal lung fibrosis. And then she started having some sort of angina which was not there. She's diabetic also. So we thought कि let us evaluate by coronary angiography. That was this COVID wave 2 में ही इनको suffer किया था, and we did an angiography and we found that there was minor blockages in the LED, but there was quite significant block in the come this side. Next stenosis in the diagonal, which is a reasonably large branch. It's about 70 to 80% stenosis, with minimal stenosis in the LAD, and RC is normal cut. So we decided to do quick angioplasty, and after counseling the patient family, and they agreed. And we did a wire. The rest is all small thing. Balloon always, I try to always pre-dilate, despite even if it looks like that it is a direct stenting case. But there is no harm in making a good bed, because sometimes you unnecessarily get small thing, put a balloon, stent, and then of course the procedure is done quickly. We use a whisper wire. It was coming out again and again, although any other wire can be used. No technical in this, but the only thing is that I have seen in many patients, Sushant, you will know, acceleration of atherosclerosis. Whether this was there already or not, we don't know, but she never had angina earlier. So there is something with the COVID also that accelerates the atherosclerosis, not only the thrombogenic, which can lead to acute rupture of acute MI, but it also has something to do with atherosclerosis, so we have to be careful. So I request all the COVID patients to at least do a heart check, who have recovered, do a complete heart check, even without any symptoms. And that will include, of course, TMT, echo and CT coronary angiography. I think that CT coronary angiography, if the creatinine is normal, should be done in all patients of COVID after they have recovered. So this is a case where God has been very kind to her. CT score of 23/25. I have seen many patients lost even at 15/25 or 17/25. So we are second time lucky, and his son is very passionate about the mother. And of course, one of our relatives in Bombay, she takes care of her. Thank you very much for watching this video. The only message is, take care of your heart post-COVID. Do full evaluation. Dr. Vivek Gupta from Apollo Hospital Delhi on 27th of July from Indraprasth Apollo Hospital at about 3:20 p.m. Thank you very much, and Mr. Chandan and Dr. Sushant also there. Thank you.